lunch until I got home. So anyways, let's do the unboxing now. Where are you out here, folks? Let me put the phone down real quick. I could get this box open. Yeah. There you go, you guys. Check it out. Here it is, baby. Here's the paperwork. Weekly piece. Let's go. Here it is. Here it is, baby. Here's the router, baby. And look at that. Nice and sealed up, baby. Looks really fancy. Important information about the SAGMEMCOM SAX. That's the router information installation and safe use instructions. Usage instructions, blah blah blah. Dang, look at this. Here's the Spectrum router, baby. Nice hush puppy. Check it out. Here it is, baby. Look at this. Brand new Spectrum router. It's like the one I have now, but it's brand new. That's what it looks like, y'all. Here it is. Check it out. I'm gonna show them my Wi-Fi password, but that's what it looks like. That's what the bottom looks like. I'm gonna show that because that shows us some serial numbers and stuff. Alright. Check it out. Here's the AC adapter or the cord, and here's the LAN cable. This cable is a let me see what kind of cable this is. It's a Cat 0.5E. That's what the kind of cat cable it is. Here's some paperwork that they gave me. Share the limited ad Spectrum Mobile line is saved. Don't miss out. Special offer, more lines, more savings. You guys want to get Spectrum Mobile? They use the Verizon towers. You guys unlimited talk, text, and data nationwide 5G. Keep your current phone. I already have Spectrum Mobile. Get faster speeds with Speed Boost that uses the Wi-Fi. Spectrum Mobile Wi-Fi. No contract, no added taxes, no hidden fees. Baby, call the number 1-800-555-1855-236-5767 today. There it is. There's in Spanish. So you guys want to read in Spanish. And here's thank you for choosing Spectrum. You're a few steps away from enjoying the best service available for your home. Download and open my Spectrum app. Sign in to Spectrum using a password. Select set up equipment. Oh, I'm gonna have to blur that out because yeah, that shows. I'm gonna have to crop this out because it shows my stuff information. I don't want to show you guys that. All right. There's this. Download my Spectrum app to easily install and activate your equipment. Take installation with the easy step instructions. There we go. And here's the Spectrum Wi-Fi. Here's a booklet, English and Spanish, I believe. Yeah. There it is, the step-by-step guide on how to install it. Stuff like that. Let's go, boys. There it is. Yeah, brand new router. Let's go, let's grow. When you also have to big time YouTube does it. Accessories below. There's accessories below, but I already got my accessories, so I don't have my accessories besides that. Alright, that basically wraps it up for today. So you don't know, good job, big fat like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification button. I'll check you guys the next. I'm out. Deuces. Catch you on the flip side, folks. And to the next time, folks. Guys, some coaching. Put a bit relax. Meet you at Timmy's Lounge.